Hey guys, it's Brian here with Stokes & Company Restoration Business, and we're working on a Kubota ZD28 with the 72-inch Pro Deck for a friend of mine. He had a no-start problem. I went up to his house, diagnosed it, checked it out. Turns out it was a PTO switch not working properly. Right here, it's a PTO switch, little micro switch that there's actually 3 of these that are the exact same. So these are just a real small little micro switch with the connector on it. So the lever arms, and the PTO all take the same switch, just a 2-wire switch that you can test. And on his, I just bypassed it just for temporary purposes so that he can mow his yard. Now we're going to fix it properly. First things first, though, we got a lot of grass buildup. We're going to get this thing cleaned up before we get in there and start on it. And here's that part number. It's K3511-55620. This is a close-up what the little switch looks like. Just a little micro switch. Just pushes in on a button inside of there. 2-wire connector. Always check your local Kubota dealer to make sure you do get the right one for your make and model, and always have your serial number handy. switch right.
There's some light on it. Right here. Cut the wires off and bypassed it. Check it out to see if it works before we put it all back together.
Put PTO off.
And PTO on. PTO on. No start. And PTO off. And it works. Put the power wheel back on and get it wrapped up.